Meanwhile, it's game on for the 2024 Lok Sabha battle, and Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy has set up his election campaign rolling with a mega rally today in Anantapur, where a colossal gathering was witnessed at his Siddham public meeting. Addressing the enthusiastic crowd, CM Jagan urged them to mobilize support, vowing to confine the TDP in both the upcoming Assembly and the Lok Sabha polls. In fact, Jagan also promised to uplift the life of the underprivileged through quality education and slammed what he called the TDP's capitalist ideology. As a symbolic call for change, he also urged the public to keep the fan inside their homes and throw the cycle outside. This is, of course, the visuals that we're getting you from the massive rally that Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy had hosted today. He had said that over 1 million people would be in attendance. And from the looks of it, there were quite a lot of people in attendance. So this is clearly Jagan Mohan Reddy's attempt and a show of strength just ahead of the Lok Sabha polls. A big battle for him, and he is clearly now in battle mode.
వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా ఒక్క మాట చెప్పండి, ఆ అక్క చెల్లెమ్మలకు చెప్పండి, ఫ్యాన్ ఎప్పుడు ఇంట్లోనే ఉండాలి, ఫ్యాన్ ఎప్పుడు ఇంట్లోనే ఉండాలి, సైకిల్ ఎప్పుడు బయటే ఉండాలి, తాగేసిన టీ గ్లాసు ఎప్పుడు సింక్ లోనే ఉండాలి. ఆ అక్క చెల్లెమ్మలకు మీరంతా కూడా ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి కూడా అర్థమయ్యేలా చెప్పండి.
Shifting our focus